Introducing the brand new DBN900 Brushless Framing Nailer from Makita. They've included a load of features to really improve overall quality of life with this. I'm going to run you through some of them now. This nail gun is seriously powerful. It can fire up to 90mm nails, which is more than enough for most job applications. You're also seeing a large capacity magazine there, so you can fit enough nails in there to keep you going for a long time. And on a battery, this will fire up to 1,000 nails, which is gonna see you going all day long, no problems, zero downtime, and another benefit to a cordless nail gun. Like I said, this thing is cordless and it runs on Makita's LXT platform, the 18-volt platform. You all know it and you all love it, and this is just another great example of a perfect little 18-volt tool to add to your kit. Another little feature, as I was having to play around with this, in the box you're going to get yourself a rubber nosing for the head there. If you are working in more delicate materials, that means you aren't going to cause any damage, any marks, and just keep that finish as good as you want it to be. This thing has two firing modes. You've got single fire or bump fire, sequential fire, and that is easily switched with on the button on the side there. Another little feature they've added there is an all metal magazine. That means it was going to take a bit more of a drop than maybe some of the competition who are using a plastic magazine. An extra little durability feature there. You're seeing a belt hook and a raft hook, so you've got a load of options for hanging it, whether you're up on a roof or maybe you just need to get it on your belt. Really nice little features on the side there. The magazine on this machine sits at a 34-degree angle, which means it's that little bit easier to engage the head. Maybe you're getting into a slightly more awkward place. You can fire those nails out of this really easily and quickly, and that is going to save you time on the job and just make things that little bit easier as well. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you are on the Makita's 18-volt battery platform and you're looking to get yourself a new nail gun, cut out the fuss of any other brands, the brand new DBN900 is perfect for you. You can check it out now at its.co.uk.